Hey guys, guess what? Traffic na naman! Bakit?
Ay, daga!
So today we're gonna be talking about the rat in the Starbucks drink that happened a few days ago.
Okay, so what happened was, this girl named Jessa, she got a drink in Starbucks in Mandaluyong, and at around 9 PM, pag alis niya, dun pa lang niya nakita na may daga daw sa drink niya. So parang ang weird, diba? Bigla na lang daw yung linabas na gano'n sa may daga. And then, syempre, people are gonna kind of think, is that real or what? Kasi everyone knows that when you order drinks from Starbucks, ginagawa nila yun sa harap mo. And frap pa yun, so bine-blend.
So everyone is speculating that this issue is fake, na sinadya ng babae na yun, na sirain ng Starbucks, to the point that this former Starbucks employee, Carlo Calibara, spoke up and posted a Facebook post that got so many views.
Because it was so funny.
It's so funny. He was explaining that it was so impossible that there was a rat in the drink. Kasi nga yung process of making a Starbucks drink is very, very careful. And first of all, the cup is clear.
Yeah, and they don't have like a dirty kitchen though in Starbucks. They just make everything in front of you. Tapos sinabi pa ni Carlo na ano yun? Nagme-matrix yung daga, iniiwasan yung blender na blade.
So paano daw nangyari? Na may daga sa drink, tapos hindi siya naka-blend.
Wait, nalala pa ako, sinabi ni Carlo na, ano yun, ate, nag-swimming lessons yung daga, tapos pagpasok niyang ganun, nag-swimming, biglang dead agad.
Kung buhay pa yun, may feel niya umaalog yung cup. Diba? Kasi lalaban yung daga. It's hard to kill rats kaya sa drowning. They swim really, really long.
Yeah, in sewages.
Diba? Kasi kung napunta talaga yun dun yun, nabuhay siya, may feel niya, hindi, kalahati pa niya yung cup eh.
Tapos patay agad. Tapos paano yun nakapasok? Eh di ba yung mga frap ng Starbucks, maliit lang yung hole na
Oo nga.
Nandun pa yung straw mo, hawak mo pa.
So there's only 3 ways for this rat to get into that cup. First is andun na siya before pouring the drink in, which is impossible kasi clear yung cup. Second is andun siya when the drink was being made, which is impossible kasi kung nandun siya while the drink was being made, na-blend siya, di ba?
Eh din naging reddish yung drink mo, tapos may mga buto-buto ba?
And the third way for the rat to be in there is nilagay siya after the drink was poured into the cup. So, which one do you think it is? So, sobrang nag-trend yung issue na to. I saw so many parody posts about it. Like, there's this one picture of a rat holding a drink.
Ah, really?
Tapos sabi niya, Miss, may reklamo ko. May tao sa drink.
Nakita mo yung post na kailangan mo isakto yung daga sa gitna ng Starbucks. Yung GIF. Tapos in the post pa of Carlo, nakalagay doon na she actually got sick, right? She was contracted with gastroenteritis and also a bit of leptospirosis or something. Yeah. Which is really, how did she do that? Baka nagpakagat siya sa daga bago niya ininom yung drink. Yung funny pa nga dun eh, sabi ni Carlo. So, ano yun ate, bago mo na-notice na may daga dun, and laki-laki nun, nakalahati mo na yung drink. Sabi niya, uhaw lang.
Despite this being super unrealistic, there are still some people who are actually believing it. And may mga taong parang, ayoko na pumunta Starbucks, wow, kadiri, I don't wanna buy Starbucks anymore. May mga taong gano'n. I mean, of course, there are some people who believe her. Personally, we don't usually give our opinion on topics, but this one is just really obvious that it's fake. So, ako personally, I'm gonna say it's probably fake.
Yeah, I believe it's real though. Just kidding.
Alright, so this topic is almost coming to a close. So it's time to ask you guys what you think. So, do you think that this is real? Or do you think it's fake? Do you think sinadya niyang ilagay yun? Or talaga nagkamali Starbucks? Because Starbucks is really apologetic about it naman. So they're saying sorry naman to her. And they're actually paying for hospital bills. Did you know that? So, what did she get out of this? Bakit niya ginawa to?
So put your comments and anything you want to say down below. And do you believe it or not?
So that's it for today's episode, guys. We'll see you next time. And thanks for watching.
Traffic na naman!